this is how all of our new stamp sets will be coming. They will come in a packet like this, very similar to what our dies come in. And then inside will be the stamp set that will just come, you know, sandwiched between the two pieces of acetate as it normally does. But then to store it, what I did is I glued it to this side, and then I took the thinner clear one off, inked all of this up with an ink pad, and then I closed it and then did that. So it put the stamped images on this side. And then because it's glossy, I was worried it might smear. And also we didn't want the stamps to take away from the ink. So I just then adhered the clear coat over the top of that. Now, if this was a bundle that had come with dies, the dies would come in another packet just like this. So it's going to make it really simple to store everything together, and it's going to take a whole lot less space.